This is the VIP.
Okay, so we've just arrived. Guy came and picked us up.
In a VIP service, that was. Do we get to put on one of those hats? Oh, it's on the... Ah, nice. We get to put on a Vietnamese... Oh, it's a bit bright, isn't it? We get to put on one of the Vietnamese hats. Those, like, cone hats, which the guy's got on right there.
Yeah.
Okay.
Slowly, slowly, slowly. Slowly.
Oh. Oh.
Slowly.
Slowly. Okay, we have the Vietnamese hats, everyone.
Yeah.
Oh, hello. That is what you call Vietnam. Look at that. Our guide.
Yeah.
What's your name?
Mr. Cường.
Peter what?
Mr. Cường.
Mr. Kung.
What's your name?
This is Dan.
Nice to meet
Dan.
Lydia.
Oh, yeah. Lydia, yeah.
Mr. Kung, everyone.
Mr. Cường, yeah. Xin chào. Xin chào, yeah. Gangnam Style, sexy life. Gangnam Style, sexy life.
This is so funny. Oh, I want whatever he's on. I think there's something in this water.
Good time of day to come, guys.
Very good time to... We've booked this for 5 o'clock, so I recommend that. If the sun sets at 6, depends on the time of year, but it was 6. It's 6 now at the moment, so we booked it for 5. So yeah, but to be fair, it's about 5:15 we ended up getting on, isn't it?
It's always late.
Because we got lost. This is Dan's attempt at sitting on the edge to take a photo. Careful.
Watch this trick. I'm gonna
Don't know, because you're going to fall off. Dan. Oh, my arm.
Really good.
We're now driving towards some kind of show in the middle of the lake.
This is the dance floor in the middle of the river.
Sexy lady.
It's funny because we've been singing this song the last couple of days, haven't we?
Sexy lady.
Sexy lady. Whoop, 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 whoop.
Gangnam Style.
Unfortunately, guys, there hasn't been a sunset because it's cloudy, but you can see what should be the sunset. He's just given us a stick to fish for crabs.
Okay, okay.
I can't get to it. Oh, I see it. Put it in the pot. Put it in the pot.
I'm trying.
Okay. Yeah, okay.
Look, we have a crab.
That's our dinner for the night.
Okay.
That's our dinner.
Okay.
We release the crabs now.
Ready?
Bye then.
Bye.
Bye.
Crab that fell into the boat. Dan, get away. It's running riot behind me. And where are you, Mr. Crab? Dan, you're a little... Dan, do not... Glad you found it funny. We just did the coconut boat tour, which was really fun. Definitely recommend it. Do you recommend it?
Amazing. So good.
What did you like the
5
best?
stars.
What did you like the best?
It was all pretty good. The guy was fun, bubbly.
It was really funny, wasn't it? It was so funny.
Yeah. And then like he got a little fishing hook with a bit of meat on it, and we went crab fishing.
Crab fishing,
That was fun because I lost one on the boat and he was running around, and Lydia almost fell off the boat trying to get run away from it. So yeah, it was a good experience.
Yeah.
Highly recommend.
Well, the guy himself, he was absolutely mental. Like, he just kept singing Gangnam Style all the time.
Yeah,
and
we
like,
found out why. There's a couple of stations where they've got someone there in one of those little circle boats, and you pay to go on, and then they go really fast round and round and round. And at those certain places, they've got songs that they have on loop.
Yeah, different songs.
And one of them is
Gangnam Style.
So.
But I can't show that on here because of copyright problems. If I was to put Gangnam Style up, my video will be deleted. We're allowed to sing it, we just can't play the actual song. Now we're heading to get some food. I gave Dan the chance to pick something for once because normally he can't be bothered. He's like, you pick something, you pick something. But I made him pick something.
Thai Cafe Courtyard Barbecue and Restaurant in Hoi An.
Oh, I saw that one yesterday.
Yes, that should
right,
be good.
let's go there. We're at the restaurant, the Hoi Cafe. Some really nice looking food on here. We've got like 8-hour smoked beef brisket, smoked duck leg, smoked duck crepes. They like duck in here. Pork belly tacos, freshly made pickles, and chili jam. Spoiled for choice in here. They've got pizzas, baguettes. Well, there's even more. There's more on this side. Salads, noodles, I mean, you name it, they've got it. Dan's enjoying his beer.
Saigon beer.
Saigon. Enjoying that?
Yes.
We got some Hoi An pancakes and we weren't sure what they were, but we're going to make some pancakes and just hope that we do it right. We lost one pancake because the wind took it off. How's that going, Dan?
Not very well.
Oh, so that looks like scrambled egg to me. Is that egg? Wow, that's a bit...
Look at the state of that.
That is awful. Just throw it in.
That's how you do it.
Yeah, I don't think Gordon Ramsay's got anything to worry about, Dan. Did she say this was mango? Mango, yeah. Green mango. Ah, green mango. Look at that. Well, you can't see it on the camera, it's so bright. Now it's Lydia's attempt. So you put a bit of this in, yeah? A bit of that. Is the sauce spicy, Dan?
I can tell. I think it's nice though.
Like peanutty?
I think so.
We're just going to go for it. I don't know what it's going to be, but we're just going to try it all. New things we like to do, don't we, Dan?
Yes.
I feel like I'm going to do a better job than you.
Yes, I'd say you did.
That's quite nice.
Good night.
You get to pick a side. I got a vegetable kebab. Dan got barbecue mixed skewers. Beep beep.
Where you from?
We're from England.
England. Very good football.
So we just went to the Sky Bar and yeah, there just wasn't that many people in there, was there? Like,
About 16 people?
Yeah, 16-ish people. And to be honest, the whole area just doesn't seem... I think we thought it was going to be a bit of a party vibe because it's Independence Day, it's a Saturday night as well.
I thought there'd be people on the street singing, dancing, lights, all sorts of things, but it's not really, yeah, not here anyway. Probably in the capital.
Yeah.
Probably in Hanoi or...
Hanoi. Ho Chi Minh City and Hanoi apparently are really busy, but definitely not here in Hoi An. It's definitely more quiet, family vibes. We're gonna head back and go to sleep, I guess. We're just gonna get a grab. We're just looking around. There's a lot of bike taxis. We might jump on a bike. I don't know what we're gonna do. But we're gonna go and have a night, have an early night. We're off to get Dan his shorts, t-shirts, whatever, tailored. There's a place called, as you can tell, they enjoy beeping here. There's a place called 45 Thu Tailor. It's got very good reviews on Instagram, on Google, very good reviews. Get Dan's stuff tailored. Are you excited?
I'm so excited.
He's always moaning about how his shorts don't fit in properly, his tops don't fit in properly. It's all he goes on about. So he's finally going to stop moaning.
Well, we'll see.
Well,
I have to strike a bargain.
yeah.
I want 50p per item.
50p per item?
Yeah.
Do a shot where I pretend that I don't know you're recording me.
Come on, walk.
Right, okay. Oh, thank you. Water. It's so busy. Hopefully for good reason. We've been seated and we've been given some water, so that's nice. And yeah, we'll keep you updated with the process. Lots of shorts he wants to get tight to his leg, and then lots of shirts he wants to get tight to his arm.
Tight to my leg. That's the same for all the shorts I have. They're all too baggy for me. So I've got very little legs.
Skinny legs.
Skinny long ones. These ones, I just want the arms a bit tighter.
Tighter arms.
Tighter like that.
Later we come up there, we have the tailor up there.
He needs to try them on now so they can see how much smaller he wants them, and then from then they'll give us a price of how much it's going to cost because he's got quite a few items.
The hood one very easy to move, doesn't matter.
Yeah.
So do like this, when you not too wide.
Want them shorter or longer? Shorter? Dan's just finished trying on his bits. His 9 items. How many?
Your local money.
Yeah, your money.
1 million dong.
1 million dong.
What's that?
30 quid.
What's that per item?
9, I think, items, is it? Yeah, 9 pieces. £3.70 an item is.
Okay.
So Dan got his tailor-made shorts and shirts. Well, they've not made them yet. We're gonna come back tomorrow. 800,000 dong. It started off at 1 million, then they put it down to 800. Did you haggle them or did they just do it? Did they just do it?
No, they just dropped it.
They just dropped it.
You could probably get a lot cheaper than that. It's just we went to all the tailor shops we've seen have been dead. But we went to the best one rated on Google.
It's not bad, is it? A couple of quid to alter an item to your start, to like tailor-made for a 2 quid. It's not bad.
The only issue is each item I'm wearing now currently cost me £3 or £4.
Yeah, so. We bought all our clothes on Shein after the bus fire, and all our items were like £3 each, and we're paying £2 to alter them. At least it's tailor-made to his size. They've got all these fabrics laid out. They've got like floral print, different patterns and colours, and different materials, from denim to silk, and they make it all. They can make you anything. You just show them a photo on Google or whatever, and they'll make you as close to that as they can.
And it's quick.
And it's quick. The next day, yeah. Oh, and they'll tailor it to your body. However, I asked about a set. It was a skirt and a blazer, and I thought that would be nice if it was fitted. It was $120.
That was the starting price. You could have haggled.
Yeah, she said, how much do you want to pay? And I thought, look, if you're starting at $120, we're on 2 different, very different pages.
He was thinking 20.
I thought it was like $30. We're backpackers, we're not on holiday.
I asked about how much a silk shirt was to cost, and they said it would be $35 US. But that was their starting price again, so probably get it a lot cheaper than that.
Yeah.
But we're not really looking to spend that sort of money on clothes at the moment.
Right, now we're heading back to the apartment. These taxis just sit outside on the street in Hoi An. It's called Song Hoi Taxi, and they're usually just like, hello, hello. Oh, here's one. Here they are, look, they're all lined up here on the street. Okay. Bloom's Boutique. Hong Fong, Le Hong Fong. You have no idea what I just said, do you? We're gonna head back to the room. Oh, yes, thank you. Oh. Thank you. Right. I'm really hot, I'm sweating. So we're gonna head back to the room, go to the gym. Super fit Hoi An, really good reviews on Google. It was one of the only ones that have got aircon. 50,000 dong to go in for a day pass, and that includes a sauna as well. Well, Dan's gonna try on the stuff now. He's so hot. He's so sticky. To be fair, I'd hate to try something on right now. Who's upset? Oh no, she's upset. I told the ladies over here at 1, it's like
We told you 1,
3.
and then we told the lady downstairs.
Maybe 2, yeah.
Okay, 1 o'clock.
Oh, she's been waiting for us.
We're coming together. We say with her, why not sometime? Why?
We're gonna put it on YouTube.
Thank you. Come in.
We have a little promotion video for the Tailor Shop. Insert now.
Everything you like. Clothes, dress, shirt, so everything. Design catalog. And something change, if we change for you. Đức.
Hat and Đức.
Đức.
Hey!
45 Tailor.
45 Tailor Hoi An, yes.
45 Thu Tailor Hoi An.
Promotion video there. 45 Tailor Hoi An. Oh, Dan, you're naked. No one needs to see that. No, should really put it away. I think we're making them laugh. Do you like it?
Yes.
So what have they done, Dan?
So I bought this off Shein, and I just basically the arms were a bit flappy. Didn't really fit very well. Just made it fit a little bit better. So yeah.
Dan, did you just strip off your boxers? I was about to video that.
So much better they look.
Yes, so much better now.
Look.
Yeah.
So the difference, yeah?
Yeah. Dan is a very happy customer. He said he likes all of them.
Yeah.
All fit very well. Dan is naked again. I need to stop filming him naked. But yeah, he's very happy with them.
If you like this video, then click on the video or playlist that has just popped up on your screen right now. Don't forget to hit subscribe, and we'll see you next week.